String of lights. This project on my Instagram got over 8 million views. The number is insane. It's really difficult to even imagine it. To me, I was thinking, wow, how about highlighting this project and doing it again here on my YouTube channel? I think projects like this deserve to be highlighted and deserve a longer form of video. So here I am doing it again. It's actually quite interesting to see and recreating your very own work, especially that work got so many views. It must be either a very good idea or beautiful as well, or both. I don't know. I still can't believe it, and I still wonder why this project got so many views. As you can tell, we just stamping little circles, and this is just a bottle cup. I'm pretty sure you have something of this kind at home. You can use something even smaller. At first, when I came up with this project idea to use the cup, actually, I thought, wow, Marta, this is too roundy, or maybe this is too big for the lights. But then I thought, hey, it's just art. It is art, and it's our vision, and it's totally okay to do so. Once your little circles are stamped, make sure to start filling the color in your bubbles. And I'm doing a little bit on the left, a little bit on the right, and making sure I'm leaving the bright spot in the middle. It's the highlight. It's where the kind of light goes in, and where the reflect the light, I guess. I'm using just regular watercolors, so by all means use whatever paints you have. I'm pretty sure you own basic colors of this kind. I think it looks really nice the way the colors are matched up. I really like the blue, the red, the green, the yellow, purple. It's not a typical Christmas, but then it's quite typical for lights. Am I right? So I think it's a really lovely selection of colors for this particular project, and maybe this is why it was so popular. And also for the string, I have used just a regular marker, black marker. And now I was thinking, let's do a little bit of title. The wooden one felt a little too small. Then I have this one. I don't have a link to this one that I'm using right now. I have the link to the wooden one, so check it out if you wish to have a pick. And of course, because of the lights, shimmer, shine, and reflection of everything, it's nice to have a little bit of a highlight, a little bit of like we're trying to have this effect of sparkle, of light, of shine or something. I don't know. It's hard for me to explain it in English, but I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. It's basically the idea for our lights to shine. Yes, it's just giving the reflection of it, I guess. And just with the wet brush, just touch a little bit of those edges of your bubbles, and you are done, really. Nothing complicated. You just add a little bit of water and move around the pigment that you have on your bubbles. And once you start adding water, the bubbles will release a little bit of paint, a little bit of color, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward, but it's fantastic idea, I think. Now, of course, a little finish touch, and this one is my favorite way of doing things with the bubbles. It's the marker. It's the gold one. It's like this liquid gold. It's pretty amazing. I love it. I have all colors, all sizes, of course, because I just totally adore it. I would do it differently on Instagram. I did it a little bit better because they were with the string itself, they were in the better position than here. You can still learn from it to place them a little bit better, I guess. And as my final touches, I'm adding tiny dots of glue. You can use glues from my links if you wish to have a look. The one that I'm using particularly is not available because I'm using my stash trying to. Same for the glitter. Check the links. All the gorgeousness glitters that I could find, I have them there. And please excuse me, my blocked nose. We are still recovering, and we are in the recovery mode. To not say we are not really recovering too well, to be honest. It takes so long, so I really hope you're gonna send me some good wishes my way, my family way, because we really truly need that. Anyway, lastly, I've added a touch of pen, and because it was wet, so without the glue, even it would hold on the pen itself. I've learned that trick some time ago, and I loved it. So here it is. I really hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Happy holidays, friends. I'll chat to you soon. Bye.